Hey everybody, this is Joe and Jassy. We're out here in the yard again, all the time. Trimming these trees like I suggested on our last video. Jassy's got the American horsepower.
On me.
There's one more, honey.
This one?
Yeah.
I have to go on the other side. I have to go on the other side.
Hey, Jassy.
Hey.
Hey, Dad.
Check that out, guys. I don't know why she joined the gym. We got plenty of exercise out here in the yard. That's my boy. A lot of tree trimming, guys. Honey, do your kung fu.
Kung fu. My kung fu thing. We got a young boy here, but he's so tired. He doesn't want to get burned. We're gonna get wet. So Joe and I have to do this together. But Joe can't do so much because he's so busy all the time. So I do it myself. This is a good workout for me. I've been in the gym today too. I did 1 hour workout. This is a man's job. And I have to go to work tonight. I can let Joe do this one because I don't want him to get fainted or pass out.
I'm not going to pass out or get fainted. I've been working in the yard for over 50 years combined.
Oh, okay, move your eyes.
So guys, this is about 2 hours of tree trimming in the yard today. So we're going to knock off. It's about 1 p.m. It's starting to get hot out here. And start early in the morning when it's cooler. There's Jungle Jassy.